Adding noise to an image can certainly give it a more vintage look. And if that's what you're going for, I'm here to save you some trouble. I'll show you how you can quickly and instantly add noise to any image using Pixelied. Pixelied is a web-based design tool that has the answers to all your design needs. So to get to our editor, type in pixelied.com/upload, and here we are. Now you can just click on this button and select an image, and we have our image down to the Pixelied's editor. Now to add a noise to this image, just select it and click on this button which says image effects and filters. Go down to the film grain effect and you'll see the noise effect from here. Just increase the slider to add noise to this image. And similarly, you can also do some more edits, like you can adjust its brightness, you can adjust its contrast, all of this with the same ease. You just have to adjust a slider. Okay, but what more can we do using Pixelied? So let's add some text to this image. So go over to this text tab and you'll see we have three options here. Now you can either choose from these or you can choose from these amazing cool text styles. So let's say I want this one. So just click on it and it will appear on your artboard. Increase its size like this. I want to place it right in the middle, up above here. Okay, first of all I'll remove this line by clicking on the delete key. Okay, now let's edit this to say vintage, and you can change its font color from here. Just click on it and I want to select white. Now all that is left for us to do is to download this image. So click on this button, select a format. Let's say I want a PNG format. Click on download again and our image has downloaded. Okay, so this is how easy it is to add a noise to this image, add a text to this image, and also do some more edits like adjust its brightness, contrast, and all of that. Alright, so we saw how easy it is to upload our image to the Pixelied's editor, do some tweaks like add noise to it, adjust its brightness, contrast, saturation, etc., and even add a text to it. So go ahead to pixelied.com/upload, upload your images and make some aesthetic changes to them. Also, stick to this channel because Pixelied has got a lot for you in store.